Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PS5 controller on over to your LG TV. So maybe there's a game or something on there you want to play. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn off my PlayStation 5 completely and then go to enter rest mode. And then make sure your controller is turned off. Now what you want to do is go to your LG TV and go to the settings. So let's go to settings right here. And since I have my PS5 open, I have Game Optimizer, but I want to go to all settings right here. And it should open up on the left. So let's go to General now and go to External Devices. Then we can go to Connect Bluetooth Controller on the top and select that. Now we need to put the device into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So with my PS5 controller turned off, hold down the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time. This will put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. The controller can't be on, it's got to be in this option. Then go to where it says search and click this, and you can see my DualSense Wireless Edge controller right here. Let's select it. And my controller is now connected. So if you're trying to play a game or something like that, you can see I'm moving it left and right. And then we can select it and we can go to the different options there. It looks like X is actually back, so some of the settings are a little bit different than I'm used to. So just start selecting stuff, and if you're playing a game, you can go to this in the future and we can connect it, or we can disconnect it or delete the device right there. So very simple. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.